All right, so we're about to check out our Oyo hotel. It's the next day, and this man right here, he's the one taking care of the hotel here, along with this guy. What's your name, sir?
Rizwan.
Rizwan and
Juan.
Your name?
The
yes man.
1, 2.
Your name?
Yeah, what is your name, Rizwan?
1, 2.
Rizwan?
Yeah.
Both are Rizwan.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
is what? This is 1, 2.
1 and 1, 2. And this man is the yes man of India. If you haven't seen that, it's in Sergio's video. I'll link that in the description. But yeah, he's the yes man of Jaipur. So now, as we're checking out, these guys kind of are asking for a tip. So Sergio is going to take care of that.
Okay.
Lots of money.
Lots of money? No. A tip would be if you clean the room.
Yes.
I had a bed bug in my room. You'll see kind of a blood spot. And, you know, I had no toilet paper.
No
So
hot
tip
water.
is no hot water. So tip is take care of that.
And you'll do better.
Yeah, it'll be better.
He's gonna make me millionaire.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a good tip, I would say. And
So-
what about a tip for 2?
Tip for 2?
Two.
Just say yes. It works
Say
for
yes. Good tip. Is that good?
Yes, good.
All right, they're happy with the tip.
He's gonna give me his iPhone.
Yeah, you get an iPhone.
you. Yeah.
It's $100.
Sure.
This is $100.
I'm broke. This is all I have. I lost. You remember yesterday? All the money I changed, I lost it.
Even poor people give us more than this. You are a rich person.
I mean,
Not rich.
I'm not rich.
We're broke.
That's why I stay in a hotel like this. Because I'm broke.
You booked this hotel because of view. Because of our view.
Yeah, but the table up there, you see the table?
Yeah.
It had
There was eggs on it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna get salmonella poisoning and get shit in my brains out.
Sir, as my contact number, he didn't call me for that.
He didn't call you?
If he called me, I will.
Yeah, but we shouldn't have to
No.
do that. I mean, it was already dirty.
And
All right,
see,
anyway.
The dent in the scooter, you almost had to pay for it.
All right, so that's it for the Oyo Hotel adventure.
I will see you.
I mean, I wouldn't really recommend you use Oyo hotels in general because I haven't had the most positive experience with Oyo hotels in the past, and it continues. It's just the staff are not proactive about taking care of the hotel and stuff, so otherwise it was a pretty good deal. Although these rooms that I showed you, they were supposed to be $25, which is like an outrageous price for a room like that. I mean, they even gave us the wrong room in the beginning. I don't know if I added that part in the video, but they gave us a smaller room, but we actually booked a bigger room. So later they came around and they were like, okay, you have a bigger room, but even those rooms were not clean. So you had to ask them to clean the rooms and change the sheets. There was no hot water. So yeah, that's just like a typical experience of an Oyo hotel. So, I mean, this is the Hotel Moonstone. And the only good thing about the hotel is the roof has a really nice view of the fort. So if that's what you want, and if you think that's worth 25 bucks, go for it. Otherwise, probably not.
To the metro station?
No, yeah, metro station.
Huh? I know. I'm not going here. I'm going to the metro station.
No.
Yes.
Oh, man.
You'll be here in 3 minutes. 148
Jaipur
rupees.
में metro station.
Yes, 148 rupees. $2. Yes. See?
Oh man, these guys on the Jeep are like
1947.
fucking insane.
A Suzuki Swift.
They want to charge you 500 bucks for 2 kilometers, which is crazy. And they don't even speak English. I mean, you would think if they're like catering to tourists, they would speak English, but they don't. So yeah, we booked like an Uber for 148 instead of paying 500. So yeah, don't take these Jeeps if you're here, unless you have too much money to spend.
Right here.
Is that our Uber? No.
Right there.
Oh yeah. 1917. Oh, look at that view. So far, the rickshaw drivers and the cab drivers in Jaipur have all been scammers. I always recommend taking Uber instead, like we are doing now. Okay. Jesus Christ. It's a piss pool down there. It smells like piss. We have arrived at the metro station where we were yesterday. So now we're gonna get a couple more scooters. We're gonna get off the Jaipur metro station and go get some scooters. So we are here. You are here. Check out that spelling. And we're gonna go to the railway station. That's where we find the bike rentals. You see this? You are here. Have the spelling. All right. So it's 6 rupees for the railway station. That's where we gotta go. So So that's what it looks like getting through the metro. And where do you get the tickets though? Oh shit, we gotta buy it. Railway station? Railway station. Alright, so apparently the ticket counter is outside of the security gate. So we're gonna go get couple tickets to the railway station. Railway station 2. 2. Wait, I have change. I got it. I got you covered. Oh. 2 tickets. Not gonna go through security again. There you go.
Camera?
Yes, camera. All right.
दिक्कत लो गड्ढा उसके रिमोट
He's got to put it in the computer.
कंप्यूटर में लगेगा ना ये
कंप्यूटर से वो करेंगे जब
कनेक्ट करेंगे
Yes. Six rupees. All right. We're going down to the metro station now, to the platforms. It's so weird to be filming in a metro station because I'm so used to security being so tight in Delhi. Like, they would never let me through with a camera that's on.
How about he looked right into
Yeah, he's like, that's crazy. And an empty metro station. I mean, practically empty. This is what Delhi Metro, even at like 11 p.m. when the Delhi Metro closes, you don't have this less people. You still have a lot of people walking around. Oh, there's a new line that they're constructing, probably. I tried, but it didn't go.
Okay, mine didn't go.
Hold that train!
Hold the train!
All right. See, in Jaipur, the train waits for you, even if you're a little
Thank
late.
you very much.
Thank you. Here we go. Train full of people. sit here. All right. So you just got to make sure that we pay attention to railway station, which is like 2 stations away. So the one after the next is where we got to get off. That's the metro station that we're going to stop at. We're making a turn. Right now, time to find the scooter place. It's called Royal Panda, and I think it's one of the cheapest scooter rentals that we've seen here. The scooters that we rented last night, or yesterday rather, was $350, and yeah, and the Panda's 300. So, and that's for 24 hours. And yeah, so let's go find out the scooter place. Oh, this lady's trying to sneak in. Whoa, what is that about? There we go. Railway station. So we're at the railway station, metro station. So like I was saying yesterday, where we rented the scooters from, there were 350 for like 5 hours, and Road Panda is 300 for 24 hours. As long as you stay.
Toilet, man.
What's that?
They're all squatty potties in the bathrooms.
Yeah, you don't get to sit down. You got to squat if you want to go number 2. Drop a deuce at the metro station. Be prepared to squat or hold it. All right, I'm just following Sergio. Look at all these bikes. This is the metro parking. Even though there's no people in the metro, there's like a ton of bikes.
$144 का प्लान है, इसमें फ्यूल आपका रहेगा सारा,
हाँ,
और 60 किलोमीटर आपको चलाने के लिए मिलेंगे। 60 के बहुत चलाते हो तो ₹3 पर किलोमीटर है।
तो 144 एक दिन,
12 घंटे
12 hours 144 and 60 kilometers.
2 हेलमेट भी देंगे आपको।
2 helmets and 60 kilometers, and every other kilometer is 3 rupees. 3 rupees a kilometer.
See, look. It's good one. It's a good one. Don't worry.
इसका जरूरी नहीं कि लेना है।
A lot of hassles booking here at Road Panda, unlike the other ones where you just pay and take the bike. You got to pay online, you got to register and all that. Fuel is full, so you got to return it.
रोड तक आ रहा है, इतना ही करके आपको देना।
Okay.
डॉक्यूमेंट है, आरसी, परमिट, इंश्योरेंस, पोल्यूशन
All right.
परमिट,
Yeah, all the papers for the
और डॉक्यूमेंट ओके। ठीक है, चीजें
camera.
And I got a helmet.
कैमरा है, फोटो खींचता है। इससे क्या फोटो खींचता है क्या?
Video.
रिकॉर्डिंग सब होती है, रिकॉर्डिंग।
Helmets. I think if you keep your bag in the front.
My little bag.
Yeah, I mean the big one. And put the little one on, I could probably sit in the back.
If you're bad, then call me your dad.
Wow.